Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Abraruddin and I'm studying Masters in Information Technology and Management at Kamalan University. First of all, I would like to thank for giving this opportunity, especially for the Professor Dr. Stroop and my colleague. So let us start my presentation. Uh, First of all, I will describe the today's agenda of this presentation. First of all, I will I will show you all my Gantt chart about my project, and then I will show you the final report of my project, and at last we will see my portfolio website project. So let us go. Yeah. First of all, let us see my final Gantt chart about this project. It shows uh, it shows all of the milestones which we have completed since from the past 8 weeks. Here you can see we have three milestones in this project. For this project, uh, the milestone one is design phase, and the milestone two is front end and back end development, and milestone three is testing, debugging, deployment, and feedback. And as you all also can see, there are numerous subtasks in each of the milestones. So in the first milestone, we have communication, planning, modeling, and then in milestone two, we have HTML and CSS, JavaScript integration, backend development, and at last, at the milestone three, we have testing and debugging, deployment, and hosting. So basically, I want to say uh, during the first milestone, uh, the milestone deadline was March 8, but due to some time constraint and got some problem during the development of this project. So I took the 2 days extra for completing the milestone one. Here, as you all can see, this March 8 was the deadline for milestone one, but I took 2 more days. So the milestone one was completed on March 10, and then the milestone 2 was completed successfully on its assigned deadline. And I didn't take any extra time for this for completing the milestone 2. And now coming to the milestone 3, here, yeah, the milestone 3 I have completed in the at the assigned deadline only. Here is the critical path. It took 58 days. And this blue color bar shows the completed milestone at their respective deadlines. So now let us look at my project report. Yeah, here, got it. So this is the final report of my portfolio website project. Uh, Here it's my like the company name, Phoenix Company. This was the project description. Uh, So my aim was to develop a portfolio website which showcase our team members, like our team members' professional and personal skills, like their achievements and their academic performance in their intermediate or engineering colleges, etc. And this was the timelines for milestone 1, milestone 2, and milestone 3. Now, now let us look at these questions. Were we successful or not? Why or why not? Um, for this question, my answer is partially yes, because um, Yes, I have successfully completed my portfolio website project, but at some point I lagged due to the time constraint, especially at the milestone one. As I mentioned previously, my milestone one deadline was March 8, but I took 2 days more extra because because I got some confusion in my plan. So I decided to change. I decided to make some modification to my plan uh, to in order to accomplish my portfolio website project. So that's what the reason I took 2 days more. And what were my milestones and subtasks? Yes, exactly, which I mentioned earlier. Uh, I was having three milestones: design phase, front end and back end development, and deployment and feedback. So each of the milestone have their own subtask. In the first milestone, we have three subtasks: communication, planning, and modeling. And in the second milestone, we have three subtasks: designing of HTML and CSS code, JavaScript integration, backend development. Yeah, yeah. I will also show you the code of my website project, deployment and feedback. And the third question is, where did we miss our deadline? Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, here you can see I missed my deadline for milestone one, which was originally set for March 8. However, it was delayed by 2 days due to time constraint and changes in the project plan. Exact what I mentioned earlier. From my perspective, yeah, a manager can prevent this kind of situations in future projects by setting their milestone goals at least 2 days ahead of the actual deadline. Like, uh, like for example, in my case, the deadline was March 8. So if I would have set the deadline for milestone one as March 6, which is 2 days ahead before of my milestone actual deadline. So, uh, if I have completed completed the milestone one at March 6, then the 2 days will be the extra time for me to do the work of the another milestones. Like for example, if I have got some problem during the milestone one, so I will be having 2 days extra more, like March 7 and March 8, to accomplish my project. In order to compensate that problem within these 2 days. Now, what did we learn from the past 8 weeks? As all of us know that from the past 8 weeks, we all were busy in preparing our portfolio website project. Like it includes everything from technology concepts like designing or creating codes like in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yeah, in for developing a website, you must need the knowledge of these kind of programming languages like HTML. Yeah, HTML is a markup language, not a programming language. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for backend database management system. So I learned these technologies during these 8 weeks to accomplish my portfolio website project. And apart from that, my technical skills, learning technical skills, I learned the management of a project. I learned the skill of how to manage a project. Like I did one mistake in the milestone one. Like I took two more days, and from this mistake, I learned how to accomplish our project before the deadlines. Now, how will completing this project will impact my future? So after completing this project, I will be able to successfully post my and as well as my colleagues uh, professional skills uh, what they know and what technology stack they know, and what are their soft skills and technical skills that will require for the hiring persons uh, to the hiring persons to look into the candidate. So they can post their personal skills in the form of resume in my portfolio website, and they can showcase their both their soft skills and technical skills through my website. And for improving my resume, I have uploaded my this my portfolio website project to my GitHub account. The GitHub account is well known for the coders, especially for the programmers, uh, which include which includes which includes a repository of code, uh, which is very helpful uh, for the growth of your career, especially in the technological field. Now, Now I will show you my website project. This is the link of my website project. If I click here, yeah, this is my website project. This is the main page of my portfolio website. Uh, here is the home page, and I have included this my social media accounts like LinkedIn. Yeah, this is my LinkedIn profile. I have included this in my project. This is my GitHub account. This one is the very important for uh, technical persons, for showcasing their projects to their managers and colleagues and whoever they want. Yeah, this is my GitHub account, and these are my repositories. Here you can see a portfolio website which I have uploaded in the GitHub account, and these are all my other projects which I have made earlier in my engineering, Python programs, etc. Yeah, this is my Twitter account and this is my Instagram account. Now this is about myself. Yeah, here it shows my skills, what I know in terms of technological skills. Like I know HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, React.js, Git, GitHub, Git Bash, and graphical design, and many more. Yeah, these are my contact details I have included in my portfolio website, so that uh, if any hiring person uh, comes around my resume, if they like my technical skills, then they can easily get in touch to me through my email ID and through my direct contact number, or else through my social media accounts like LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter, or Instagram account. Now, here I have included the project section, which shows about my whatever the projects I did. This is the major project, e-waste facility locator, and this is my mini project, identification of bird calls. Here I've included my resume. Yeah. If you want to download, if you want to download this project in your own local machine, then you can visit to my GitHub account. Then you can come here to my repositories. If you click here on the portfolio website, here you can see this page and just click on the code and just download the zip file, and then you can able to run my project in your local machines. Yeah, so that's all for today. I have shown you everything regarding my presentation regarding my portfolio website, which is used to which can be used for showcasing your personal and professional skills in order to get hired by the employers who are looking for hiring hiring uh, hiring technical persons, or else any or else any or any other positions. Yeah, I thank you all for giving your I thank you all for your patience and giving attention to my presentation. Let's meet in the next presentation. Thank you.